Okay, let's go over the answers to dividing fractions 1 through 9. Okay, our first step is to rewrite the problem. We keep this first one. Keep it. Then after that, we multiply by the reciprocal. We flip this one. That's how we set them up. Okay, and then we have, there's nothing reduced. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Keep the first one. Multiply. Reciprocal. And I think that can be reduced. If you notice, 5s will reduce. 5's going to once, once. 3 times 1. 1 times 2. And this can be reduced. 2 goes into 3. 2 goes into 3 one time. And there's 1 left over. It's 1.5. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 makes 3. You know, the times plus. So I just changed it to a mixed number. Keep the first one. Multiply. Reciprocal. Hopefully you can see that you can reduce the 8 and the 10. 2 goes into both of those. 2 goes in here, 4. 2 goes in there, 5. Multiply straight across. 7 times 4. 5 times 3. Now that can be reduced, because 15 goes into 28 one time, and there's 13 left over. Because 2 more would make it 30. 2 more would make it 30, and that would be 2. All right, keep the first one. Change this, multiply. Change it to a multiply. Multiply reciprocal. Hopefully you can see that wait, do the 5s cancel? Do they reduce? No. No, you can only reduce things from the top and bottom together, not top and top. So 5 times 5 is 25. 9 times 2 is 18. And let's see, that can be reduced. 18 goes into 25 one time with 7 left over. Number 5. Okay, keep the first one. 4 over 1. You know, make it a fraction. Multiply reciprocal. Hopefully you can see that you can reduce the 2 and 4. 2 goes in there once. 2 goes in there twice. Now go straight across. 2 times 3. 1 times 1. So the answer is just 6. All right, this is like a 1 under it. So keep the first one. Multiply reciprocal. So we're changing all these to a multiply problem. Hopefully you can see that these will reduce. 4 goes into both of these. 4 goes in there once. 4 goes in there twice. Go straight across. 2 times 5. 1 times 1. The answer is just 10. All right, keep the first one. Multiply reciprocal. Most students look at this and think they can just reduce the 9s. No, you have to do the reciprocal first. So what's that going to be? 81. There's nothing reduced. You go straight across. (81 over 5). I think 5 goes into 81 16 times with 1 left over. So it's 16 and 1/5. Let's see if that's right. Yeah, because 5 times 20 is 100. Yeah, that works out right. All right, the next one, again, same thing. Keep it. Multiply. Reciprocal. Now notice there's a 1 underneath there. You need to make it a fraction. Now do the reciprocal. And you can see that the 2's reduce. Now go straight across. 1 times 1 and 7 times 1. There's your answer. Okay, the last one, number 9, excuse me. Let's keep the first one. Multiply the reciprocal. Now there's a 1 underneath there. So now I can do the reciprocal. And you cannot reduce the 7 and 14. They're both on the bottom. So just go straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 14 times 7, I believe, is 98. 20, yes, 98. So there's your answer.